Hi, good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing good. Hey, hi, Somaranjan. How are you doing? I hope everybody is good at home. Guys, this would be a 1 hour session. If you already have your Lacuna token, then please do share that. In case if you don't have your token or if you're not using Lacuna Astro app, you can share your date of birth, place of birth, and time of birth, and we should be able to create your profile. नमस्कार नमस्कार. बिल्कुल क्यों नहीं, फिक्स तो हर चीज़ का होता है, बट देखना ये पड़ेगा कि प्रॉब्लम फिक्सेबल है या नहीं है. अपना टोकन शेयर करो. यू आर एन एग्जिस्टिंग व्यूअर, राइट? सो यू कैन शेयर योर टोकन, सौम्यरंजन. एंड आई थिंक यू आर ऑलरेडी मैरिड, राइट? आप ऑलरेडी शादीशुदा हैं जहाँ तक मुझे याद है. इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकिंग यू विथ somebody else. But anyways, if you have your details, please quickly share. I'll look into it. थोड़ा जल्दी शेयर करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा. This is a 1 hour session, so I'll be closing the session around 10:30. No problem, Roshan, no problem. Thank you, Somaranjan. Let me open your chart. सौम्या. नहीं, मुझे मत बताओ. इफ़ यू हैव योर टोकन ऑलरेडी देयर, फिक्स नहीं हो रहा है. होल्ड ऑन. सो सौम्यरंजन, जब आप सबसे पहली बार आए थे ना, आप आए थे 27 सितंबर 2025 को, फर्स्ट टाइम. तो वहाँ आपका जो पहला क्वेश्चन था वो मैरिज को लेकर के ही था, इफ़ आई रिमेम्बर करेक्टली। ओके। और उस समय जो प्रेडिक्शन था हमारी तरफ से वो ये था कि 2026 सितंबर सीम्स टू बी द बेस्ट टाइम टू गेट मैरिड। सो 2026 सितंबर तो अभी आया नहीं है। व्हाट मेक्स यू थिंक कि दोबारा देख करके कुछ बदल जाएगा? व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो? वो समय तो अभी आया ही नहीं ना। तो माय पॉइंट इज़ वेरी सिंपल, राइट? आप उस चीज़ को वेट करें। एंड आपको वहाँ पे 3 सजेशंस दिए गए थे। देयर वर 3 सजेशंस आई कैन सी। वो आप भी जाकर के रेमेडीज़ में देख सकते हैं। इफ़ यू हैवंट डन दैट एंड इफ़ यू आर कमिंग हेयर एंड आस्किंग द सेम क्वेश्चन अगेन, तो मुझे लगता नहीं कि कुछ बदलेगा। अगर आपने वो रेमेडीज़ कर ली हैं या कर रहे हैं और आप बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं कुछ हुआ नहीं, then I need to see the evidence that how are you doing that, right? So make me feel comfortable about the progress you have made in the direction of the remedies which were suggested. अगर आपने किया नहीं है तो then question is irrelevant now. Okay, सौम्या? So सितंबर में जो हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था, I would suggest you to please follow that. रेमेडीज़ वाले सेक्शन में जाओ, वहाँ पे तुम्हें दिख जाएंगी कि क्या सजेशंस दिए गए थे। मेक श्योर आप वो कर रहे हैं। सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू हैव रेड देयर। आप जा कर के एक बार देख लो उसको। सौम्य रंजन, चाय का तो यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे। मे बी यू कंसल्टेड ऑफलाइन, आई डोंट रिमेंबर दैट। बट जो यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंटेड है दैट आई कैन सी। ठीक है। एंड इफ़ यू हैवंट डन दैट देन माई आंसर रिमेन सेम। अगर आपने वो किया है जो सजेस्ट किया गया था, देन वी कैन हैव फर्दर डिस्कशन अबाउट इट। सौम्य रंजन, आप जाकर के एक बार रेमेडीज़ चेक कर लीजिए। आपकी रेमेडीज़ वहाँ पे पड़ी हुई हैं पहले से ही, सितंबर 2025 की रेमेडीज़ हैं। एंड दोज वर सजेस्टेड टू यू टू ओवरकम द प्रॉब्लम यू हैव। एक्चुअली ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट यू वांटेड टू ब्रिंग द टाइम अ बिट फॉरवर्ड, राइट? तो उसको करने के लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा वो। एक बार आप रेमेडीज चेक करिए सौम्य रंजन। नो फर्दर डिस्कशंस ऑन दिस टॉपिक। फर्स्ट टू गो एंड चेक दैट। नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता। क्या करते हो उसमें से? क्या करते हो? हम्म? हो ही नहीं सकता। यू आर टेलिंग लाई। एनीवे सौम्य रंजन, इट इज़ योर चॉइस मैन। आई कैन सी दैट वो चीज़ें हैं ही नहीं जो करने वाली थी, नहीं वो पहनने वाली चीज़ें थी। आप कह रहे हो आप कर रहे हो। सो दैट इज़ द रीजनिंग। लकुना एस्ट्रो में हमने ट्रैकिंग इम्प्लीमेंट किया हुआ है, और ये ट्रैकिंग इम्प्लीमेंट करने का मेन पर्पज़ यही था, सो दैट वी कैन ट्रैक डाउन पीपल हु आर कमिंग फॉर कंसल्टेशन बट नॉट रियली डूइंग द सजेस्टेड प्रैक्टिसेस। सो यहाँ पर आप 4 बार आए हैं कंसल्टेशन के लिए सौम्य रंजन, और आपको 4 में से एक बार भी सजेस्ट नहीं किया गया है। ठीक है। सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट। फाइन। जो टाइम है आपको 2026 सितंबर है, और जो रेमेडीज़ आपको बताई गई हैं, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दोज रेमेडीज़, जस्ट वेट फॉर द टाइम। आई फील दैट यू आर नॉट डूइंग द रेमेडीज़ विच वर सजेस्टेड। ठीक है। Anybody else? If you have details, please do share. एक बार सौम्यरंजन जाके चेक करो, ऐप में जाके चेक करो क्या क्या सजेस्ट किया गया था. यू आर अ ग्रोन अप मैन. जाके एक बार देख लो क्या बताया गया है और आप क्या कर रहे हो. Once you understand that, then probably we can have further discussion. Okay. सौम्यरंजन वो जा कर के देखो, वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके. अगर आप वो नहीं देखेंगे तो आपको आइडिया नहीं लगेगा कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं. बाकी अगर आप कुछ ऐसा पूजा पाठ कुछ कर रहे हैं वो करते रहिए. उसके लिए मैं ज़िम्मेदार नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं आप क्या कर रहे हैं. वरना हमने यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई सजेशन तो यहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंटेड है नहीं, तो आई कांट रियली गो विद व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. सो आप जाकर के एक बार चेक करिए, ऐप में रेमेडीज़ हैं, आप उनको देख लीजिए. इफ़ दैट मेक सेंस करिए. अदरवाइज वट एवर यू आर डूइंग यू कैन कंटिन्यू. फ्रॉम आर साइड द टाइम लाइन इज September 2026. उससे पहले कोई चांस है नहीं. Guys, please quickly share your details and I would be creating your profile, and then we can go for the reading. सौम्यरंजन, मैं नहीं जानता आप वो कौन, किसने आपको बताया. दो मुखी में अगर आपने भद्रा भी पहना था, भद्रा कोई बुरी चीज़ नहीं है. ठीक है, पहली चीज़. सो यू नीड टू डिसाइड व्हाट यू रियली वांट टू डू. मोस्टली भद्रा ही है मार्केट में जो आपको मिलेगा दो मुखी में. और यू कैन गो विद जो इंडोनेशियन बीड आता है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल टाइनी बीड, राइट. नेपाली आप खरीद नहीं पाओगे बिकॉज दैट विल गो इन थाउजेंड्स. तो यू डिसाइड, दैट्स वाई आई सेड राइट कि आप डिसाइड करिए आपको क्या करना है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट वेरी श्योर कि वो करेगा काम या नहीं करेगा तो कोई बात नहीं. इवन वी ऑल्सो हैव दैट. ठीक है, एंड दैट वर्क्स परफेक्टली ऑल राइट. दैट्स टेस्टेड एंड ट्राइड. अब मुझे नहीं पता, यू आर गोइंग इन अ टेरिटरी वेयर आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू हैव डन, क्योंकि आप पढ़ पढ़ के आंसर दे रहे हो एंड यू आर मैनिपुलेटिंग दैट ऑल्सो. सो वी डोंट नो. सो जो आंसर है हमारी तरफ से वो यही है कि आपका September 2026 के आसपास पॉजिटिव रहेगा. आप कोई रेमेडी मत करिए, तब भी आपका September 2026 तो हो ही जाएगा काम. तो आप देख लीजिए. आई वुड से वेट कर लो तुम, क्योंकि तुम्हें सही चीज़ तो मिल नहीं रही है और भद्रा वद्रा पहन लोगे तो उससे नुकसान हो जाएगा तुम्हें. तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. ठीक है. हाँ, पहने रहो. हे हाय लिवांशी, आई एम गुड. आप कैसी हैं? हाउ आर यू डूइंग? नो प्रॉब्लम लिवांशी, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. अभी ऐप में हम लोग काफ़ी नई चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं. एक तो हम मे बी केपी नाड़ी को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर देंगे, जहाँ आप जा कर के नाड़ी डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं. एंड वी हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग भृगुनंदी नाड़ी. सो आपको भृगुनंदी नाड़ी की डिटेल्स भी वहाँ पे मिलनी शुरू हो जाएंगी. अभी हमारा टारगेट सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर को मैच्योर करने में है. and soon. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, सब अच्छा होगा लिवांशी जी, सब अच्छा होगा. राइट नाउ आवर फोकस इज मैच्योरिंग द सॉफ्टवेयर. एक बार सॉफ्टवेयर के इम्प्रूवमेंट के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस कोर्सेज एज वेल, जहाँ पे वो स्पेसिफिक कोर्सेज जो होंगे दैट विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन द बेसिक्स. It will also cover the Bhrigunandi Nadi, and it will also cover the KP Nadi. So all those would be covered as part of the courses, and all the courses would remain free. So you guys can go and learn from there if you are interested. अगर टाइम का अभाव है तो आप लोग अगर आपको टाइम का अभाव है तो आप वहाँ पे लकुना स्टो ऐप को आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट विल गिव यू द सेम आंसर. या आई डोंट नो, यंगस्टर तो मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज्ड हैं. हे हाय अनिरुद्ध, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? अनिरुद्ध, आई गॉट टू सी योर चार्ट टुडे, राइट? सुनने में आया कि you gave multiple interviews but nothing worked, right? So I was interested seeing that. So I just wanted to warn you कि आपके पास समय थोड़ा कम है, तो थोड़ा एक्टिव हो जाइए. इसके बाद सी राइट नाउ यू आर ऑन अ स्टेरॉइड मोड, राइट, वेयर यू आर ट्राइंग सर्टन साधनाज एज वेल. लेकिन अगर टाइम आपके एकदम अपोजिट होगा ना तो ये सब कुछ नहीं काम करेगा. आई जस्ट वांट टू वार्न यू कि समय को सही से यूटिलाइज करिए. डोंट जस्ट चिल, राइट? दिन रात तुम्हारे लिए अब सेम होना चाहिए. सो पुट योर ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट एंड मेक श्योर यू गेट एन ऑफर. ओके, द काइंड ऑफ स्किल यू हैव एक्वायर्ड, उसके बाद भी अगर तुम्हें जॉब नहीं मिल रही है देन देर इज़ अ absolute gap, right, in terms of your knowledge and in terms of the way you communicate your knowledge. तो थोड़ा इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करो उसके ऊपर. इफ़ यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट देन यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ बिग ट्रबल. या सो समय को अपने सही से यूज़ करो, वेस्ट मत करो. ओके, so the suggestions which are given to you and the remedies which you are doing at the moment is to just keep you on track and keep you focused. आप प्लीज़ इस समय को हल्के में मत लीजिए. गिव योर ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट. दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम यू हैव. ओके, ये 3 महीने निकलने के बाद यू विल स्ट्रगल बिग टाइम. Okay, guys, the session would be active for 1 hour. So around 10:30, I'll close the session. So if anybody has any questions, please do share your details. I would love to create your chart, and then we can apply certain techniques there. So here in the live session, we do certain things, right? We apply numerology. We look into your LoshuGrid as well. And then we look into your Lagna chart, which is made using Parashari technique. So it's a basic chart which you get, right? D1 chart I'm talking about. We look into we also look into the Chalit, and that is built using Shripati method. And we have recently introduced KP Nadi as well. That is work in progress. The prediction engine is not yet there, but understanding the actual nakshatra lord and sublord is perfectly functional at the moment. We are also enhancing that to have a predictability aspect attached to it, which is very vast in nature. Yeah. Uh, when I say very vast in nature, that predominantly focuses on certain things, right? What those things are. For example, we were just building the career module today. So in the career module, uh, I mean, a lot of time people come right asking, "हम job करें या business करें," right? So we were working on that today, and then we were trying to build the proper data set. जो डेटा सेट है उसका मेन पर्पस ये था कि गुड और बैड कॉम्बिनेशंस को कैसे क्लासीफाई किया जाए. And when we say bad, how bad it can be. When we say good, how good it can be. And there is a possibility of having an average combination also. So, un combinations ko we are introducing, and that will remain same for everything, right? Be it marriage, be it career, be it planning for a baby. There are multiple possibilities. One of the books we are referring for this, which I think is is available in the market. If you guys are interested, you can buy this. This is one of my team members bought it from junkyard, and we got this book in just 10 rupees, and the actual cost of this book is 60 rupees. So this is basically helping us find the specific combinations which we should focus on, right? For example, there is a question, right? On page number 61, it says that, shall I open a nursing home? Yeah. So it says that houses to judge is 4, 11, and 12. So this is exactly what we are using as a base, as a foundation to develop what we are building right now. And it is coming from Krishnamurti Publications, Chennai, and this is available online also. If you guys are interested, you can buy this. This comes in just 60 rupees, and it gives you fair enough details. Obviously, it would require you to have a software which allows you to see the details, right? Nakshatra Lord and the Sublord. It goes up to Sublord, which is not applicable if you are applying KP Nadi. But if you are going for KP methodology, then this would be required. तो आप इस बुक को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. This is exactly what we are also referring at the moment to build the predictions in the application. So soon it will be available to you all. You can go and use that. The combinations which we have introduced, for example, let's say if there is a combination of 5, 8, and 12, right? Then this is extremely bad combination, right? If you are going for a business, and we are also trying to make sure that when you go for this, you can easily understand what this means. So interpretations must be written in such a way which makes you feel comfortable, and you should be able to understand the meaning of it. So that all is being done at the moment. Soon it will be available to you all, and you can just enjoy that. See, I mean, when it comes to KP, you can't be very descriptive, right? Because the framework itself is very robust. It's very strong, and it's very abstract also. Now, since here at Lacuna Astro we are running multiple methods in parallel. For example, a specific chart. I mean, when we get your details, right, we create your numerological chart. That is nothing but the LoshuGrid. We create your astrological chart, D1 chart, basically using the Lahari method, and the Varga charts also. Then we create the Bhavchalit, that is done using Shripati Paddhati. That's unequal houses system. The people who understand, they would get it. What I mean by that. And then we also create the KP Nadi. So when we see them side by side, it's a quite a bit of information, right? And we can see the similarities, we can see the differences in each technique, and that is where the catch is, right? It's very easy to say that कि ये नहीं काम करती, ये काम करती है, वो काम करती है, and all that, right? But I think in the world, maybe potentially the Laguna Astro is the only platform where we have built this capability, where we do have multi-dimensional data introspection happening at the same time. So it's quite intense in nature, and our objective is to make sure the predictability is taken to a level where we can comfortably claim that this is the um, accuracy we carry, right? And what is the logic behind it. Obviously, we would not be able to reveal everything to everybody, but as we are building this platform, I'm quite vocal about it. I keep sharing it because I'm not a born astrologer, right? And I'm learning and I'm building this at the same time. So my team is quite committed, as I said, right? They went to the junkyard and then they bought this, and this is really miraculous book, right? Somebody asked me to send it to him, but we don't know what that guy is doing, so we had to, you know, move on. But anyways, I also want to make sure this session is specifically for Lacuna Astro users. If you are having Lacuna token, please do share. I can look into your chart. Even if you are new, you can share your details. I can create your chart. No problem at all. सौम्या रंजन इज आस्किंग कि किस दिशा से आएगा रिश्ता. तुम्हारे घर के बाहर जो गेट है ना, उसी उसी गेट से ही अंदर आएगा. सो यू जस्ट लुक इन टू दैट गेट, राइट, एंड फाइंड आउट. मोबाइल में कंपस लॉन्च कर लेना, इट विल टेल यू दैट वुड बी द डायरेक्शन जहाँ से आएगा. So I would say don't get into too much of the details, right? I don't think that ever solves the problem. Look into the time frame when a specific event can happen. I'm really happy that even after you trying so much, you are still having the same question. And since our prediction says that somewhere around September 2026 is when, and we predicted it last year, it's not like we are always pivoting, right? So we are sticking to what we said. Uh, so we are sticking to what we said, and we are documenting that also, because we want to make sure at some point we have to make sure that the data we have, how credible it is. And that's the reasoning I always push user to go and create their account and share their token and all that, right? But since we are in a phase where we want to test faster, so we have removed that limitation also. Anybody can come and share the details, and I can look into their charts, and then we can simply go ahead, create your chart, look into it, have a discussion about your chart. Anirudh, I have already seen. What do you want me to see again? It's clear, man. I have already seen. What do you want me to see again? So 24th April 2026, क्यों टेंशन क्यों हो रही है? टेंशन क्यों हो रही है अनिरुद्ध? यू आर नॉट वर्किंग हार्ड इनफ, राइट? टेंशन क्यों हो रही है आपको? अप्रैल 2024 तक का जो टाइम है, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर, अप्रैल 2026, you have to make sure you get a job. Is it a very big ask? I don't think so. And you have been given all the necessary support elements, which you have to trust on. बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करो और अपने आप हो जाएगा. आपका क्या होगा, आपको और मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो जब आपका जब आप जब आपको सामने दिख रहा है कि दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्मूथ terrain for me, right? And I can easily do whatever I want on this. मुझे मुझे प्रॉब्लम इस बात की है ना कि आफ्टर गिविंग 4 इंटरव्यूज, फोर 5 इंटरव्यूज, वट एवर यू सेट देयर, what exactly stopped? Why you didn't get an offer? 4 इंटरव्यूज देने के बाद भी आपको ऑफर क्यों नहीं मिला? सो देर इज एन एब्सोल्यूट गैप देयर, राइट? अगर वो गैप आप नहीं फिल करोगे तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है, कोई तुम्हारा वहाँ रिलेटिव है जो तुम्हें ले लेगा? इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट? So you have to make sure you are putting your honest efforts, working hard, making sure that you are prepared for the next interview. आप ऐसा मत करिए कि आपके पास बस समय है आराम से. हाँ, तो कोडिंग, यू हैव टू इंट्रोस्पेक्ट अनिरुद्ध. अगर आप उसको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करके उसको करेक्ट करते हैं तो वेल एंड गुड. अगर आप नहीं करते हैं तो देन वो अमित शाह जी बोलते हैं ना कि पकौड़े बेचने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. सो योर स्किल इज समथिंग, what to say, my nephew is just, I think, 14 years old. He has built his own product, okay, and he is running that in a local community and earning through Google ads. So coding is not a big deal in today's world. So my point is very simple. I mean, the kind of service we are offering, as part of that service, I was a bit anxious because I wanted you to get into a job as soon as possible, and that's the reasoning you were given the necessary remedies and other things, whatever was suggested to you. If you are not able to crack that, then definitely there is a big issue. And I want to provoke you, right? I want you to wake up. Time pass mat karo, okay? Otherwise you will be struggling, na? अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो अनिरुद्ध, उनसे बात करो, किसी से बात करो. टॉक टू समबडी, टेल देम व्हाट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू, व्हाट इज़ प्रिवेंटिंग यू. कोई मेंटोर ढूंढो जिससे आप बात कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर लैगिंग समवेयर. बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, हर चीज़ के लिए एक अच्छा समय होता है, एंड दैट गुड टाइम इज़ गोइंग गोइंग ऑन फॉर यू. अब इसको ऐसे मत सोचो कि सुबह की रोटी और शाम की रोटी मिल जाती है तो पेट तो भरा हुआ है. ऐसे मत सोचो ना. मेक श्योर कि यू आर गिविंग योर ऑनेस्ट एफर्ट्स. Sir, my token is this. Can you please let me know when I can get back my job? Shweta, if you're listening me, have you resumed your job? No, Anirudh, it's not about you reading. It's about there are several websites, right, where you can go and groom your coding skills. ठीक है, बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स हैं जहाँ पे जाकर के आप अपनी कोडिंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. पढ़ो मत. पढ़ने से कोई प्रोग्रामर नहीं बनता है. सो टू बिकम अ प्रोग्रामर यू हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम्स, यू हैव टू रियली बिल्ड द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशंस. ओके. सो अगर आप सिर्फ पढ़ोगे तो दैट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ थ्योरी. थ्योरी का कोई अब जगह नहीं बची है ना. चैट जीपीटी के पास बहुत थ्योरी है. वाई डू दे नीड यू? बट चैट जीपीटी इज स्टिल लैगिंग इन व्हेन इट कम्स टू राइटिंग अ क्वालिटी कोड. तो उसके लिए तो आपको कोड करना पड़ेगा. सो यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. Today we started the session a bit early. So we still have few minutes to go. Shweta, if you are there, I can look into your chart now. I think we should introduce a question. When would I get my job back? So, and say mentor be doing good. This is what I want you to do, man. ये मत सोचो कि मीन्स अनिरुद्ध, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. अगर आप अप्रैल तक भी एक अच्छी जॉब नहीं आपको मिल रही है, then there is something seriously wrong. Okay. And that seriously wrong is in your skills. There is something which is considerably big in nature. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि उसको आइडेंटिफाई करके जल्दी से जल्दी ओवरकम करो. इफ़ यू डोंट डू दैट ना, तो ये कॉमन इशू है यार टेक्नोलॉजी में. इट्स अ वेरी known issue. I don't think there is a silver bullet for it. The only way you can just overcome this is by working hard. Connect to somebody who is already in the data science field, data science and data engineering, right? If you know somebody, talk to them and take some ideas. Somebody has sent their token on WhatsApp. Let me open that. Shweta Singh. That is very important, Anirudh. You have spent your father's hard-earned money, maybe your money, right? I don't know. So that's the problem, right? We are looking at Sweta Singh's chart right now. She is having trouble in her job at the moment. Shweta, if you are here in the session, please respond. Hey, hi Shubhangi, how are you doing? Seems Shweta is not there. Shweta, you messaged us on WhatsApp, so I'll send you the response there. Okay, so don't worry about it. We'll respond back to you there on the WhatsApp number. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll do that immediately. Guys, if you are here for a reading, then please do share your details, your date of birth, place of birth, and time of birth. That is very important. If you can quickly share that, I can create your chart and look into that. Hi Riti, how are you doing? Riti, just give me a minute. I'm looking into Shweta's chart right now. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll respond back to her and then I'll come to you. Okay? June 24. And guys, we also have our application available. It's available on App Store and Play Store, both the places. It's free. आप जा करके उसको भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Just give me 1 more minute and I'm almost done with Shweta. Hmm. The Mars, Guru, Rahu, Rahu, शनि, राहु, गुरु, बुध, Guru. Just guys, just give me one more minute. Guru is not supportive. Rahu is not supportive. But is also not supportive. She may lose the job. Okay, let's look into Ritika. Sorry, Ritika. Ritika, if you are still there, just confirm. I'll create your chart quickly. Just hold on. Ritika, please confirm अगर आप अभी भी हैं. Hey, hi Shubhangi, just hold on. Shweta, if you are listening me, there is a strong possibility of you getting fired. So आपकी job जा सकती है if they have not called you back. Okay. So tomorrow morning around 11, if you want, you can call me. If you are there, if you are not, then it's okay. We will respond back to you on WhatsApp. Ritika, Lucknow. Next week I would be in Lucknow. (2:35 a.m.) Ritika, just wanted to tell you one thing. In the live sessions, we do not look into the transits, right? So, एक्चुअल में ट्रांजिट का जो मेन इंटेंट है यूज़ करने का वो ये है कि आपका जो इवेंट के एग्जीक्यूट होने का जो टाइम विंडो है वी कैन जस्ट श्रिंक दैट. सो हम उसको एक हफ्ते के अंदर ला सकते हैं. मे बी वी कैन ब्रिंग इट अप टू अ डे ऑल्सो, राइट? तो यहाँ लाइव में ट्रांजिट को उतना नेविगेट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, but we can tell you the actual time period in which you can expect good uh, um, voice profile coming to you, right? So we'll just focus on that to find out the time window. If you want the exact week and the day and all those details, right, when exactly there can be a good progress around that, you need to give me some time tomorrow morning or by tomorrow afternoon. Somebody from my team would message you. So I think for now, this should be good enough for you to just know when exactly that event can happen. Okay. So I'm almost done. Your profile is ready. We have Ritika's profile ready. As I said guys, आप लोग जाकर के प्रोफाइल खुद भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं if you want. App is absolutely free. बट अभी रितिका का प्रोफाइल मैंने क्रिएट किया है खुद. सो रितिका आप एक बार डिटेल्स कंफर्म कर दीजिए. This is the data we have used to create your profile. If this is right, please give us a go. I'll go for the reading then. रितिका अपने डिटेल्स एक बार कंफर्म करिए प्लीज. This is the reasoning I ask you guys to go and create your profiles, जिससे कि मुझे अ, दोबारा से आपसे चेक नहीं करवाना पड़े. Okay, fine. So we are looking at Ritika's chart right now. हाँ हाँ, 2:35 मीन्स 2:35 AM ओनली. तो रितिका, ये आपका टोकन है. ये टोकन मैंने खुद क्रिएट किया है थ्रू माई अकाउंट. आई एम दी I'm the owner of the product. So I have created your profile. Next time जब आप आएंगी तो आप अपना टोकन लेकर के आएंगी. We also have a track here, right? Where we know कि this token belongs to Ritika. So ऐसा नहीं है कि your token somebody else comes with and then they will get access to it. So we would be expecting this token to come from your YouTube handle. As long as you have it, we would be able to access your profile. And we'll consider that as your permission to access your profile. So now we are looking at Ritika's profile right now. Just hold on, Ritika. And guys, we are not doing it the way you have seen on in other channels, right? We are not doing it. We are not doing anything like that. So it's absolutely unique way of doing it because we are trying to make sure we apply the science correct. And that's the reasoning we have built our own software. It is completely homegrown software, and all the predictions are being done using that software. So कुछ लोगों के क्वेश्चन रहते हैं कि क्या ये सॉफ्टवेयर एआई यूज़ कर रहा है, क्या उनका डेटा एआई में जा रहा है. नहीं, हम लोग एआई यूज़ कर रहे थे, हमने एआई को स्टॉप कर दिया. वी डोंट यूज़ एआई बिकॉज प्रेडिक्शंस ऑफ एआई आर नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी. एंड एआई को सही प्रिडिक्शन करने के लिए जितना आप डेटा उसको देते हो, दैट डेटा इट सेल्फ इज सफिशिएंट टू डू योर ओन प्रिडिक्शन. सो वाई टू गिव एआई एंड टेल दैट इस डेटा सेट के साथ ये प्रिडिक्शन होनी चाहिए. सो वी हैव completely eliminated that. Now we have Ritika's chart ready. So we do have Ritika's numerological chart ready. We have her D1 chart ready. We also have her D9 chart ready, and her KP Nadi is also prepared. So when I say numerological chart is ready, then it clearly indicates that there should not be any big problem in terms of marriage. Obviously, there can be delay. It also indicates that there can be somebody whom you may have liked, or maybe you are liking somebody. So that is that there can be a possibility there as well. Now just give me a minute. If I look at your Shadbal, then in Shadbal, your moon is the strongest planet, sun is the second strongest planet, and then the order goes through Mercury, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and Saturn. So this is the order of the strength of the planets you have. Now let's look into the dasha you are currently going through. So you are in Buddha Shukra Ketu dasha at the moment. The dasha I'm talking about is based on the Lahari and Amsha. So there can be a drift, right? If you look at the KP, the Vimsutri Dasha based on the KPM Namsha, then there would be a considerable difference between both of them. That's the reasoning. The event timing which is predicted, there can be a difference of maybe 15 days to a month, right? So that can be a difference between the timings predicted using both the techniques. So right now what we see here, you are in Buddha Shukra Ketu. Now let me look into it. Ritika, just hold on. Ritika, we are almost done. Just hold on. So in your Kundli, a single planet is not strong enough to materialize your marriage, right? So there has to be a conjunction which makes it possible. For that, just give me a minute. Let me look into the time frame when this can be materialized. Just give me a minute. You have moved into the Surya Dasha, Surya Antar Dasha. Hmm. You are in right now Buddha Surya Surya. Just hold on. Mm-hmm. Ritika, this time I think you may already be getting some रिश्ते तो आ ही रहे होंगे आपके पास बट दे वुड बी बाउंसिंग बैक यार मीन्स कंक्लूजन कुछ निकल नहीं रहा होगा उसके ऊपर व्हाट अबाउट good that you are not married if you were married then the current situation could have led to some sort of legal obligations also but ऐसा तो कुछ you are not married so that should not be the problem हाँ so conclusions आने में आपको दिक्कत आने चाहिए and right now we are applying the KP Nadi we are not looking at the Parashari because then the event would drift right as I said at the beginning 2710 2710 2711 even the current time right there must be some discussion going on at this current time and involve somebody elder in your family right who is influential enough किसी ऐसे आदमी को इन्वॉल्व करिए जिसका इन्फ्लुएंस बहुत अच्छा हो ठीक है देन दिस कैन स्टिल बी मटेरियलाइज्ड सो जो अभी करंट डिस्कशन चल रहा है सो 13th Feb तक का जो टाइम है देन दैट टाइम यू आर इन बुध सूर्य चंद्रमा so moon is the only planet which is clearly giving an indication obviously within conjunction of the planet but it is definitely giving an indication that it can materialize so जो आपका current discussion इस समय चल रहा है involve somebody who is influential in nature वो उसको no current discussion okay then we have to move on just hold on you still keep an eye means इस समय में कुछ ना कुछ आ सकता है because this is one of the favorable times when you can see some traction because 2711 is invoked here obviously वो bits and pieces में है 2 is at the sublord level, and then 7 is at the star lord level, and 11 is at the planet level. So काफ़ी ज़्यादा scattered है, but just keep an eye open, keep your eyes open, right? There can be a possibility, even though it's not very strong. Just hold on. Next one, you are moving to Buddha, Surya, Mangal, 2, 7, 11. This is also giving a good indication. So this is the slots I would suggest you to looking for. इस टाइम फ्रेम में आप थोड़ा सा विजिलेंट रहिए. This you can, this is clearly indicating that there is a possibility. Just hold on, let me look into your bhav chalit as well. Just hold on. Ritika, in bhav chalit your Jupiter has moved into the 7th house. Okay, and it's retrograde as well. Are you doing something at the moment? Any specific sadhana or anything for Jupiter? Ritika, this question is for you. Are you doing anything, Ritika, at the moment? Fine. Your Lagna Kundli and Chalit Kundli has the clear cut indication why you would be facing that. Because in Chalit Kundli, in Bhav Chalit, as I said at the beginning, we are using the Shripati Paddhati method. Based on that, your Jupiter has shifted into the 7th house, right? And at present, as of today, if just let me move the gochar. Yes, as of today, the Saturn is aspecting your 7th house also in your transit. So we are looking at the gochar. From the gochar, it is looking at your 7th house as well. Okay, fine. Do one thing. No, that's fine, Ritika. Do one thing. Just drop a message here. Uh, it is not to ask you to buy something or go for a paid consultation. Just drop a message here. We'll respond back to you with a specific puja you have to do. That you can do. You need not to involve any panditji and all that. That you yourself can start doing that. That is very much required. And we will tell you, if in case if you want to involve a panditji or somebody to do it for you, then whoever is your family purohit, right, you can just ask him to do that for you. So we'll send you the process. You can just follow that. Just drop a message there. We'll respond back. There is another remedy you can do if you want. That is definitely going to help you, but that is your choice. That I'm updating here. You will get to see. You can't see that. You don't have the application, right? You just drop a message there. We'll send you on your number. Marriage. The Jupiter has moved to 7th house in Bhav Chalit, which is the weakest point as it loses the Digbal. that house. Since it's sitting in the seventh house, right, where it loses its digbal as well. So you have to do something for that, Ritika. Otherwise, it's a classic case. And means that's the reasoning I thought of looking into your Chalit Kundli as well, just to make sure where exactly the Jupiter has moved. Um, remedy for Jupiter is needed. There is a specific combination you can wear that is specifically designed for marriage. You can consider that. But anyways, so Ritika, you must do something to make sure your Jupiter is functioning the way it should be. Otherwise, there is a considerable delay. Uh, unless you make Jupiter favorable for you. Yeah. Even though Nadi is indicating a couple of time frames, but I'm not very confident that those time frames are good enough considering the situation Jupiter is in your chart. So I would suggest you to do something for it. Who is next? Shubhangi, if you are there, please let me know. You would be the last one for today, and then we'll close the session. Shubhangi, please confirm. Shubhangi, please quickly confirm if you are still there. Otherwise, I'll close the session. Hi. Shubhangi, thank you. No problem, Ritika. आपको आई मीन्स आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग यू इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन मैसेज देयर. अगर आपका मन नहीं है आप मत करिए, दैट इज़ ऑल राइट. लेकिन आप अपने जुपिटर के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करिए. ओके. सो इफ़ यू कैन मैसेज देयर I'll get the remedies arranged for you. Means it will be a PDF sent to you, but it will be sent tomorrow. That's the reasoning I'm telling you to drop a message there. बाकी आपकी चॉइस है, your wish. Or you can do one more thing. You can create your account in Lacuna Astro app and send us the token. Based on that token, also we would be able to send you the remedies in the app itself. So choice आपका है. ठीक है? Let's go ahead and quickly cover the Shubhangi and then we'll close the session. Shubhangi. Shubhangi would be the last one for today. बाकी हम लोग सेशन को कल रिज्यूम करेंगे. ऐप को आप लोग भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. This app is absolutely free. सोलापुर. शुभांगी, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? आप प्लीज़ एक बार कैन यू शूट दैट? क्या आप एक बार भेज सकती हैं उसको? सत्ताईस चार. 2:55 a.m. We have Shubhangi's chart ready now. Shubhangi, just hold on. नया बिजनेस फायदेमंद होगा क्या? ओके ओके फाइन, गुड क्वेश्चन यार. नहीं नहीं, गुड 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 क्वेश्चन. मैं at the beginning itself I said, right, ki using this, right, uh, we are introducing business, right? So we were doing research on business today, so we were just covering all the possible combinations, which one is good, which one is bad, and all that, right? So really happy to see this question, Shubhangi. Thank you so much. You are going to be the test case for us. We are going to apply this on you. Okay. So just hold on, Shubhangi. I'll quickly do it for you, and then let me update your details here, so that next time when you come, we know what token we used for you. Ritika is added. I'll add the Shubhangi as well. किस फील्ड में आप बिजनेस करना चाह रही हैं? कुछ थोड़ा आइडिया देंगी क्या? Which specific field you want to target? Shubhangi? LA_MAMM. शुभांगी थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे. आई हैव टू क्लोज. So Shubhangi, next time when you come, this is the token you have to carry. Okay, so this is your token. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप आएँ तो आप ये लेकर के आ सकते हैं, या आप अपना टोकन खुद क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड वी कैन आप अपना टोकन खुद भी क्रिएट करके हमें सेंड कर सकती हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू लेट एवरीबडी नो कि टोकन का एक्चुअल पर्पस क्या है. सो द पर्पस ऑफ टोकन इन लकुना एस्ट्रो इज़ वेरी सिंपल. वी वांट टू मेक श्योर कि जब आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे, व्हेन नेक्स्ट टाइम यू कम टू our channel or for any consultation, we know what I suggested to you. So we want to make sure that there is some credibility, some accountability attached to it, right? It should not be like you come, you ask, you go, you forget about me, I forget about you. So uska koi meaning nahi hai, right? It is waste of time for both of us. So हमें वो नहीं करना है. That's the reasoning we request everybody to go and download the application. आपको नहीं करनी, आप मत करिए. That is your choice. We are anyhow keeping track of things. Now let's go and look into your chart. Your brain works beautiful. Means you are quite a logical lady. That should be there. Maybe a bit of anger issues also, and that is good enough if you want to run a company or had a business. Then some arrogance, some attitude should be there. That is shown. There is a possibility that if you are doing this business in a partnership, then make sure you do the right documentation and other things. because there is a possibility of your partner um, not being loyal, right, in the business. So वो चीज़ हो सकती है. So for that you need to make sure uh, you have the proper things there. There is also a possibility that you can experience some crunch of funds as well. So there is a possibility where you can bleed your saved money, which I think is a very normal phenomena, because if you are running your business, building your business, then this can happen. So it's not a thing to worry about. Now let me look into your astrological chart as well. Just give me a minute. Hey Pooja, we are about to close the session. If you want, you can subscribe and come tomorrow. Otherwise, somebody else would also be trying to do the same thing which I am doing. But obviously, nobody can do it the way we do it. So आप देख लीजिए. But we are about to close the session. Shubhangi is the last one for today. April 27 to 55. Hey Pooja, then it's not about your no, कल आ जाना ना, if you don't mind. If you come tomorrow, that would really help me, because I want to close. Um, you should not be worried about it. If you are our existing subscriber, then you would definitely have uh, my number as well. You can leave your question there on the WhatsApp if you want. Uh, but but I understand that you would really understand the request I have. Um, and you don't worry, Pooja. I'm here to help. But I want to close because the session is only for 1 hour. It has already crossed that. So you can just drop a message on this number. Tomorrow morning I'll get time and I'll respond back to you. So with your token, you can send your question there and we'll respond back. And these requests, the people whom I'm requesting to message on the number, believe me, we are not going to tell you that you do the payment and then we'll look into it. So it is not like that. You just go and allow me to help. So you can leave your token there along with the question you have, and we'll respond back. So let's go back to Shubhangi. Shubhangi, 2027 to 55. Perfect. Shubhangi, I believe you are thinking of starting the business. You have not yet started, right? शुभांगी जरा जल्दी से आप कंफर्म करिए. वो इसका कमाल है, माइक का कमाल है आई थिंक. नहीं नहीं, मेरा मून स्ट्रांग नहीं है. माई मून इज कम्बस्ट. एनीवेज, you are thinking. Okay, okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Just hold on. Mhm. It seems that you are thinking of starting a business from a very long time, because right now you are in Guru Mahadasha, and within Guru you are in Shukra Antardasha, and within that uh, na, this is not about sadhana, yaar. This is about uh, means everybody pretends, right? कैमरे के पीछे कौन कैसा, you never know. So whenever somebody comes on camera, they always try to sound good. और ये मेरे साथ ही नहीं है, ये जितने लोग हैं वो सब ऐसे ही हैं. So but obviously if you maintain a low frequency, right, where you are not shouting, you're not, screaming, and your volume is quite low, your pranavayu is saved, right? So you can be more energetic, you can be more mindful. So it's very simple thing. ओए ओए बस आई थिंक अब मेरी टांग खींच रहे हो आप, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. सो आप ज़्यादा मेरे बारे में सराहना ना करें तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ओके, so we are in Guru Shukra Rahu at the moment, and this is based on the KPI and Amsha. So we are looking at Guru Shukra Rahu at the moment, and now look into the position of these planets. How's your Guru doing? Oh ho ho! Wow. Thank you Pooja. आप भी ध्यान रखिए अपना, and we'll speak soon. What about Shukra? Okay. What about Rahu? Yeah, see, Shubhangi, I would say go for this business. You definitely can do it. Uh, but I feel it demands, your chart is equally good for job and business both. But in case if you want to go for the business, then the success in this business comes uh, with an expense, right? You have to advertise yourself. I mean, इसमें कुछ नया नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, but it is something where you have to put things on display, right? You need to let people know that there is something good which is being built. As long as you can advertise and let people know, business would thrive. अगर आप सिर्फ ये सोच करके करने जा रही हो कि I'll build a world class product and without letting everybody know, people would search you. ना 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 ना, कोई नहीं सर्च करेगा तुम्हें. So I'm not telling you anything unique here, but the point I'm trying to make absolutely clear, Shubhangi, is the business you can do, but to grow your business, you have to do expenses in terms of making it a brand which is known to the people, right? So वो बिना expense के होगा नहीं. And every business demands an expense, but यहाँ पे ये expense जो है वो losing वाला वो नहीं है कि you will not lose the money you will be putting. So for example, if you are putting 10 rupees, then you will be converting that 10 into 30, 40, 50, whatever is the margins you are going to make. So now your chart is clearly indicating that, and the window which I'm talking about is till June 2026. So June 2026 तक का ये जो time है, and it is starting from tomorrow. So कल से लेकर के जून 29th जून 2026 तक का जो टाइम है is going to give you good enough opportunity to take your business to the next level. And it can work. You can definitely consider that as a good option to venture into this. So this is the suggestion I have for you, Shubhangi. Baki, whatever is your decision on this, let us know. We would love to hear you back. Okay, so I have updated my logs. No remedy is required for you. You are already in a very comfortable position, and your chart is supportive to it. I have given you your token as well. Now I think this is the time to say goodbye, and welcome, Shubhangi. The only thing I want you to be aware of that launching the product and everything would be far more easier thing for you, but when it comes to growing the business, right, there you have to be a bit mindful that you have to put your money there. You have to do some expenses. For example, if I talk about Lacuna Astro we are building, but we are not advertising anywhere, right? And our growth on the digital platform is very stagnant, right? I should not say stagnant. It's going on its own pace, right? We are not putting any extra efforts there. But now if I look at the chart says that we have to put the money there, right, in this direction. So somewhat similar thing I'm suggesting you, Shubhangi. If you can just think of this business, your chart is pretty much in favor of you starting a business. No problem in that. But the growth of the business totally depends on how you let people know about your product. As long as you manage to do so, this aspiration is going to be a good one. Okay, guys, thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to look into your charts. And I must say, today we got very good opportunity to connect with really nice people out there in India. Uh, Most of the charts I have created at my end, so we do have the proper documentation. We know and what we did, what reading we provided, on what basis we provided, so that all is documented now. My name is Anand, and the purpose of this session is very simple. We as a company are trying to build an astrological software which is focused on predictions. It is not to show you the chart, it is not to show you your LoshuGrid, it is to show you predictions. And to make the predictions right, it demands considerably complex algorithms which can do that, right? It's not about using AI, it's about having the necessary context which is relevant for a specific situation somebody is in. So that is exactly what we are trying to do here at Lacuna Astro. My name is Anand. I'm the founder and CTO of this company, and we are building this remarkable product for you. If you want, you can subscribe to our channel so that next time when we come live, you get to know about us. Thank you, everybody, once again for giving this lovely opportunity to me to look into your charts. We'll connect tomorrow again. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Goodbye.